If you're finished having children and diet and exercise just aren't getting your body back to the way it was, a mommy makeover may be for you. Here to tell us how he can help you is Dr. Thomas Kotoske, Medical Director of Body by Kotoske. How are you?
I'm very good.
Well, we are excited to have you here today because I know there's a lot of frustrated mommies out there and they want to know, like I want to know, what is a mommy makeover? Because I've heard that term before.
It encompasses a lot of different procedures, basically a lot of aesthetic treatments to enhance a woman after they've gone through that process. Could be a tummy tuck, it could be liposuction, it could be some facial fillers, Botox. So we do a culmination of treatments to try to achieve what they're looking for.
So is any mommy a candidate, or who is the best candidate for something like this?
Well, you know, I mean, women have children at all ages, and typically, if you're going through the process, if you need something to help you you know, during the time that you're raising children, you want some, you know, facial rejuvenation, Botox and fillers are a great way to go. When you're lacking sleep and you need some help in that respect.
I feel you there.
If you're done having children and you have a little excess skin or some fatty tissue, what have you, liposuction or a tummy tuck or the combination of the two can be done to help rejuvenate your body.
Okay.
Breast augmentation obviously is a piece of that process as well, where we can do things to enhance that area.
So you mentioned a few of the procedures that you do, including, you know, the Botox, and you said the breast augmentation. What are some other things or procedures that you perform?
I perform a lot of different facial procedures as well.
We're seeing a before and after of a breast aug.
So, you know, here we have a typical female that comes in that would like some breast enhancement after breastfeeding and so forth. Both these breast augs, different types. We have someone that's very small and petite that's gone through the process. Here we have the tummy tuck, someone that's gotten a little obese and kind of lost a little bit of ability to exercise and so forth.
These are dramatic differences.
Thank you, thank you. You know, that's pretty typical of what we're able to achieve. Here's a woman that we did liposuction, excuse me, was a staged procedure to get her to that place. And then here we have a woman that wanted some facial rejuvenation, and we can do some things that are very minimally invasive that help us to achieve a nice aesthetic look without looking over-plasticized.
Right.
Lip augmentation and fillers around the mouth and so forth are always things that we see at all age groups, and they're great little additions to perk somebody up and so forth.
And then that makes you feel better too about yourself.
Absolutely.
And those, like I said, were some pretty dramatic before and afters. Are those typical results, or what type of results can you expect?
Well, you know, I've been in practice for almost 20 years in the Valley, and that's pretty standard for what we produce. And, you know, women can have such a dramatic change, you know, but it's a process. You know, once we do these things, we like to keep them static. It's nice to be able to do things that keep you looking good continuously and so forth, and that's what we're all about.
And you have a special offer for our viewers, is that right?
We do. I guess we have a little Valentine's Day offer. I guess it's up on the screen for, you know, some fillers and so forth.
Luscious lips, only $3.99. That's $100 savings. That's pretty incredible.
Yeah, it's what we do sometimes just to give back to our patients and to other people who would like to join the practice.
Well, that is very generous of you. Thank you very much. And if you want to take advantage of that special, or if you want more information about what Dr. Kotoske talked about, you can head over to his website, bodybykotoske.com. You can see how it's spelled right there, or you can call the number that you see right there on your screen.